Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making shrimp toast. Here's what you need. First things first is to make our shrimp mixture. Put our shrimp into a bowl. Nice sounds. And we add our grated ginger and grated garlic. We have an egg. It's supposed to be one, but I got 2 yolks, so whatever. Boop. Hello, I'm busy, Facebook. Silence. Add the flour, sesame oil, and salt and pepper. Could always add more later. Then mix it. Oh my gosh, it smells really good already though. There we go, nice and smooth. Then we're gonna take a piece of bread, dollop a little bit of the shrimp mixture on top. That might be a lot. Ooh. And then just spread it evenly. Yay! We're gonna coat our shrimp toast with sesame seeds. Just put a bunch on a plate, spread it out, and then with the shrimp mixture facing down, just place it there. Give it a nice little press so that the whole thing's nice and coated. Hopefully it sticks. And then, ta-da! Give that little press to make sure. After we coat it, we're gonna go and fry them. Woo! It's time to fry. I'm just using vegetable oil for a shallow fry, and oh my gosh, we'll see how it goes. And just take it off and put it on a paper-lined plate. That's a little too much. That's a little too brown. Try again, okay? Ta-da! The shrimp toast all done, and now I'm gonna try it. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it smells so good. Here we go. You should make this right now. It's really good. Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! I did it.